Hey kids, how you doing? So I'm back again for another pickup, and it is SPZL range Spring Summer 2018. Always a big event. So what can I say about these? These are the only pair from drop 1 that I've picked up. As you can see in the intro there, it's the Indoor Kreft. These are based on a vintage shoe called the Indoor Sport, slightly modified but really true to the original shoe from what I can see. Before we go any further, I'd like to give 2 shout outs in this video. Firstly, it was really good to meet Danny and Lance from the Sneaker Annex. Really good channel, so I'll pop a link down below. Please drop them a sub. Good lads, good shows as well they put out. What more can I say? It was great to meet you lads at the recent SPZL launch event in Leicester. Secondly, second shout out is on Instagram. It's an account called CasualClientClothing. So yeah, drop those guys a follow as well. They post a lot of this kind of thing. So yeah, it's all good stuff. Anyway, without mumbling on too much, let's crack these badges open and take a look inside. So first thing, a couple of goodies. You do get a pin badge, what I did in this drop of the Kreft, Indoor Kreft. So yeah, it's a nice little bonus, and this is just the SPZL lookbook for Spring Summer 18, featuring Bez, who yeah, did meet the other night at the event. Good stuff. Right, on to the main event. So yeah, Indoor Kreft, really nice shoe. So obviously a new addition to the Indoor family of training shoes by Adidas. Which you know, I adore. The Indoor Supers. It's one of my favourite silhouettes of all time actually. So we did get the Indoor Supers, was it a year or 2 years ago in the SPZL range, and I do have some older versions as well. Let's have a little toe to tongue on these. As with most SPZL releases, the quality is very, very good. Nice detailing on the side of the shoe, Indoor Kreft. Underneath here, we do have made for SPZL underneath the tongue. Maybe easier on this one. Nice detailing. Yeah, you get the tag, which is standard fare with any SPZL release. So if we go underneath, look at the grip on them. Now, one good thing to say is they've actually, Adidas must have got the tooling, or reacquired the tooling for the Originals logo to be on the insert on the mid. So yeah, previous ones had the equipment or performance logo, which a lot of people picked up on, but these do have the trifoil, which is obviously preferable to Originals enthusiasts and collectors. So there's the shoe, guys. It's very nice. There's a couple of other drops in the SPZL range which should be coming up on this channel. So Yep, time for some on foot action. Take care kids, and I shall catch you next time. Cheers.